The coffee business in Gikanda area in Nyeri County is said to be affected by rising disputes between the members of the Gikanda Coffee Society over suggestions to split the society into two. Members of the society were upset, claiming that the move will lower their produce as the funds are not enough to manage two societies. KTN's Julia Wino with more.
The coffee industry is one of the key pillars of Kenya's economy since independence. The sector has been a significant earner of foreign exchange for the economy and a main source of jobs. Kenyans have adapted to this, and thus majority of coffee farmers are always keen to fight any circumstance likely to affect their business. In relation to this, farmers from Gikanda Coffee Society are a disappointed lot after plans to separate the Ndaroini Coffee Factory from the family society gain ground.
Juu ya kusplit tukiuliza sababu hakuna. Ni kwa vile yule chairman alikuwa pale mbeleni hakupewa second chance awe chairman. Sasa ana incite watu to split.
Gikanda Coffee Society is made up of 3 coffee factories. During the general meeting, the farmers failed to come to an agreement on one of their members being separated from the society. The farmers claimed there were not enough funds to manage 2 societies and that the move is also political.
Sasa leo hatukuelewana kwa vile sisi tunaona tukiwa Gikanda Coffee Society tutarudi nyuma na ndio tuko na habari moja. Kwa vile tunaona factory moja haiwezi ikajiweza.
Victims, however, applauded the suggestion on them being treated as a separate society with new leadership. Majority of them have pointed fingers to the managers of the cooperative, failing to address their grievances. The factory is also pointed out as the top in the county, as they received 98 shillings per kilo of coffee during delivery.
Mimi wa factory ya Ndaroini na tumesema tutajiweka pamoja kama Ndaroini, kama society moja. Sababu kama mmesikia huko kusomwa chairman amekuwa akiignore factory moja. Tukileta mateta yetu kwa chairman anakataa. Sasa tukasema tutajiweka kama factory moja. We shall make our new society.
Coffee farming in central Kenya has been facing challenges, with some farmers reportedly uprooting their coffee tree, opting for other cash crops like macadamia. Julie Owino, KTN News.